So welcome to week 6, everyone. So I'd like to thank everyone for their submissions for the check-ins. I'm going to be running through those and see if there's any issues. I'll get in touch with the individual groups for the assignment. I'd also like to thank everyone for their multiple choice quizzes submitted overnight. Was a bit of a tougher quiz compared to the previous one, and I do understand that we probably have some things to work through, so I might have some things available that can probably help us going into the next quiz. Just thought I'd bring up the schedule this week, and looking at week 6 here, we've already obviously submitted all the check-ins, and then moving on to next week, just keeping our eye on what's coming up. So we do have some practical tasks due on 5 p.m. on Monday the 15th of April, so it's 2 weeks away from today, just to ensure that we're still working through all of those and getting them done on time, because you don't want to leave it till the last minute. We do have another quiz that's opening up next week as well, and at 9 a.m. So just have a quick look at this week. This module's focus is around financial performance measures and incentive schemes, starting to get towards the main topics around the assignment, and these will really help. This is focusing on the return of investment, residual income, and economic value added, which are all measures of financial performance. You'll explore some of the disadvantages and advantages of each of these measures and how incentive schemes can be used to achieve target financial measures. We're going to look at a couple of key things this week. So apply and evaluate the return on investment, which is always really important when it comes to performance measures within a business, and apply and appraise residual income as a performance measure. And then we're also, which is obviously very important if you're looking at listed entities, is explaining how shareholder value can be measured and used to manage performance. So we do have essential readings of Chapter 13, as well as I do think there's an additional resource down the bottom here, which is really important. This is just moving on here for the assignments, just to bring you, just to be aware that due April 15 at, which is in 2 weeks from today at 5 p.m. is your next set of practical tasks. If you need any information, head to the assignments tab here and click into this one. And then also that we have another quiz opening up on the 8th of April next week. That wraps it up for this week. Hopefully everyone's progressing through. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to get in touch, as well as posting questions on the discussion board. We do get heaps of value when students post questions on the discussion board, because a lot of the time it's a question that not only do you have, but someone else will probably have as well. All right, thanks. Good luck for the week.